Alright guys, so welcome back everybody. Let's do another video, but today we're going to talk about Crypto Unity. Okay, so it's a very unique and interesting project, what I really like. Now I just went to the white paper, it's pretty long. I'm going to try to explain everything in a short time. Also, I will let you know how you can earn free tokens and also how you can get into the pre-sale, because I am getting into the pre-sale. Now, before we go on, don't forget that everything what I'm saying in this video is only my personal opinion. What's mean I'm not giving you any financial advice. Do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and you can lose everything, okay? Your money, your issue, your problems. Now, if you never watch any of my video, go and watch please. I highly recommend you. I'm doing donation around the world at the moment in Philippines, India and Africa. I'm using my crypto money to help the poor people in this country. Go and watch, it's mean the world to me. So what is Crypto Unity? I met in person these people in blockchain in London, on the blockchain in London 2 months ago. However, I did AMA and I lost it, okay? So here I am, I'm doing a video because it is what I delay with the video. Now, let's go and explain what this is about. Now all the links will be in the description if you want to get in to check, go and do your research. Now, why I like Crypto Unity? First thing first, let me go there. No, there we go. So Crypto Unity, okay, they have audit by CERTIC and they have 81.4 on scale on security score, and that's a lot, okay? That is a lot. Next thing what I like, okay? Next thing what I like, I never see this one. They have, let me just move my face. On the CERTIC KYC, they have KYC gold, okay? That means 6 members are verified. So this is serious, okay? This is not a platform where you can pump and dump. This is not a miner. This is not like ROI, nothing like that. This is a serious project. What's coming into the crypto market, I believe in the next couple of months. I believe in May. It's finishing in the next couple of weeks. It's finishing the pre-sale, and then we're going to find out when it's coming. Okay, so here you can see 6 members are verified, okay, and initial it was on the 10/27/2022 or in October 27 2022. The founder interview, the open source and chain review, date review, KYC badge award, okay. So that's pretty interesting. Now, next thing what I like is, let me see, there we go, Binance feed. So in Binance feed, okay, if you go to Binance feed, top 5 crypto project with highest audit trust score currency, okay. So this was posted, I believe, so in February, okay. This was in February, so last month. So on the number 2 is Crypto Unity. Okay, that's pretty. So this from Binance feed. It's pretty cool. So what's Crypto Unity? Basically, what they say is a Slovenian startup crypto project. If you don't know where Slovenia, it's a country in Eastern Europe. Okay, which is very own a cryptocurrency, what's called CUT or CAT. Now, their goal is to create all-in-one mobile application where users can access all the tools that are needed to get started. Okay. That's what's explained everything for the project. So these guys are trying to have application on the phone, okay? Very simple for every single user, especially the one who are not in crypto and want to get in, to be simplified. The most simple way to get in, to buy, to store. They're going to have hot wallet. They're going to have even cold wallet. You can buy and sell NFT in the future. It's pretty cool and unique, something what they want to do. I know it's not unique because there are so many platforms. It's the way how they're going to do this way. So here they say basically they're going to have simplified exchange with a portfolio section with overview of all the users' assets along with education. They also pay great attention to advising and customer support. So they have 24/7 customer support. Now, the team identified of Crypto Unity was confirmed and the project trust score put in the top qualified project, okay, with trust score of 89. The cryptocurrency exchange platform comes in first, okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's go back. Now, I don't want to keep this video long, I want to keep my video around 10-11 minutes. Now, let's go and check about the white paper, and then I will let you know how you can get free tokens and also how you can buy tokens. Now, this is the white paper. The white paper is huge, okay? So Crypto Unity. Now, I put some paper, some piece of paper. So on page 11, it's very interesting to mention, okay? So this is the main components of the platform. So they're going to have platform on the phone, okay? So what they're going to have, crypto exchange, where the users will be able to exchange fiat currency into crypto, trade cryptocurrency and transfer funds from from a bank account to their wallet. Okay, that's very important. So you can use that to send your money. Now, Crypto Unity wallet, a hot wallet they're going to have for regular trading, and a cold wallet for extra security when storing a cryptocurrency. And they're going to have Crypto Unity portfolio, Crypto Unity NFT marketplace, okay, where users can be able to create their own NFT and they can be able to sell them or buy from another people. Crypto Unity workshops, okay, they're going to help with the use of our application, but will above will be all for education on cryptocurrency and trading. So that's pretty unique. Crypto Unity research, okay, there will be a lot of projects with an upcoming ICO idea will be published, and also help and support will be always there. Now, next one I want to mention, it was on page 21. Again, go and check all the white paper. It's pretty cool. Now, Crypto Unity help and support. Okay, so this is interesting. It was 21, Crypto Unity research, Crypto Unity traveling. Oh, no, sorry, page 22. Now, they're going to have Crypto Unity traveling exchange office. I just checked this one. So it's a, they say it's a physical exchange, is an office that implements all service from the platform. Physical exchange, that's what they're saying. It's a main purpose to enable a more person from a form of crypto trading. This making cryptocurrency accessible to wider audience. Okay, so this is, it's a designer as a traveling exchange office. It's more accessible and covers a larger area. Okay, that's pretty interesting. All right, next one, page 24 I put. So tokenomics, yes, let's see what is this CUT, okay, CUT, the tokens, okay, they're going to have 1 billion, trillion, it's a lot. Now, that's why the price is so cheap. So what they're going to have, so basically how, why the price is not going to dump like that, but also I'm going to mention that a little bit later. So when using our exchange, CUT tokens holders will have lower fees. As with any other exchange, commission when buying, selling, or exchanging will be present, okay? Will be given lower if CUT is used. So if you use their token, you have much less fees, what is normal. Now, it will give the owner access to the research part of the platform where you can verify it. ICOs will be published. Participating in their pre-sales will be possible only with CUT. So if you're getting into the pre-sale, you can only use their tokens. So that's very nice. Now, it will be possible to create, buy, and sell NFTs only with their token. That's nice. Okay, and also for the workshop, also the token will be served as a tickets for any courses or lectures or education what you want to enter. Okay, so that's how you can see the token is going to be used. Now, liquidity and dumping wall. So this is very important. The dumping wall. So dumping wall is to prevent the dumping of the tokens when it's listed out there. We don't want them to come and just dump just like that and the price to be crashed. Now, dumping wall is created with the purpose of prevent a sudden sharp decrease in the wall of the CUT tokens. Now, after, so let's see. So basically, they're going to have every month, okay? They're going to have like, so basically this is, they saying it's within 4 months period to like to protect of dumping. So if you wish to sell sooner, you know, like the first month you get a lot of tax, okay, like 34%, then will be reduced by 10%, then will be reduced 5% and 5% and so on until it's reduced to 0. So you cannot just buy and sell the first day because you will need to pay a lot of taxes, what is pretty okay because we need to protect the price. Also, very important thing I want to mention is the burning. So they're going to make this one also deflationary, okay? So I don't know how and when and how often, but they will say they will burn tokens periodically in the form or marathons, as this will also slightly increase demand. Okay, so we know supply and demand, that's how it's coming, the price appreciation or depreciation. Okay, so the very interesting stuff is they raised over $1 million. Okay, euro. This is in euro, so that's a little bit. So it's around $1.2 million, something like that. Now, if you buy now, you're getting 25% bonus because the listing price will be 008, and now the price is 0073. When I met them, it was 0069, so every day slowly has been increasing. So here you can see the CERTIC audit, and this is the Lenovo. This is 1 million supply raised. And here you can go and read on the main website how it's going to, so what's the problem. I explained everything already because this will be for everybody, especially for the newbies who want to ape in the crypto world. Okay, so you can see from the Q1 everything is achieved for now, and then we have a couple of more things to be achieved. Now you have see the partnership Lenovo, CERTIC. Okay, I know them, Coinzilla, Ninja Prime, Bit Media, so that's pretty cool. Now let's go and see how we can get free tokens. So if you go here, earn cut, okay, right here, earn cut to the right, and you collect free tokens. You go there, collect free tokens. What you need to do is you need to put your BEP20 address, okay, your BSC, so Binance Chain address, your email, and then you, oh, by the way, they have 24/7 support right here. And also you will get 100 free tokens, and that's $8 to be honest. That's $8. So a lot of people are probably going to do with a couple of wallets. So basically what you need to do is like and retweet, vote on CERTIC, and write a comment on ICO drops. Simple as that. Okay, now how you can buy the token. So first you need to register, put your email there, put some password, don't put your real password, just make up some, and then when you go, once you get registered right here, when you get registered, you're going to get right there. Okay, so if you want to get in, you need to connect, okay, your wallet, and then you go right here and buy tokens. The minimum what you need to buy is 20 BUSD. Okay, it's very simple. So you go here, BUSD, BNB, or Ethereum on Binance Smart Chain. So the best way is put BUSD. Again, not financial advice, do whatever you want. Now here it's minimum is 20. So if you put 20, okay, euro, that's 21.93 USD. So it's $22 minimum. Okay, then you go buy, and simple as that. That's how you buying. Okay, now you can use PayPal or you can use bank transfer. Okay, that's also important to know. First you need to get registered. The link will be in the description. What is very important if you want to get in early. Now that's about it. If you have any question, hit me in my Telegram group or just go and find them in their social media, what they have a lot. Oh, by the way, this is popping up a lot. Well, that's pretty cool. Right here on the right side, you will see all the social media where they are active, and they're very active and they're very fast responding. I had a couple of questions I asked, I chat here with the help, and I got answer in few minutes time. Again, thank you so much for watching. Link will be in the description. Let me know if you like this project, if you don't like this project, and that's still okay. Maybe it's not for you, or maybe it's for you. Do I'm going to get in? Yes. How much I'm going to put? I don't know, maybe a few $100. That's my plan to put in because I really like the project. This will be for long haul for me. Thank you so much. Wish you a wonderful day. Till the next one, I do I and you do you.